How to install swimming pool heating. Friends, hello everyone. You are on the Alpha Pool channel. My name is Roman. I've been building pools for 20 years. In my videos, I share my experience with you. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you. To heat this pool, we install an electro-electric heater. The power is 9 kilowatts, and therefore it requires 3-phase electrical power. 400 volts, 3 phases, 9 kilowatts, and the pool control panel is single phase. However, there is this panel with a 3-phase circuit breaker. We will connect the control panel to it. Of course, we will replace this control panel. Friends, to install the electric heater, it is necessary to make a bypass. We have already prepared 3 valves, 2 of which had been already installed, and the third one needs to be installed in the center. I hope there is no need to explain why a bypass is needed. Connection to electricity. Personally, this electric heater has pleasantly surprised me. Firstly, there are 3 heating elements, each at 220 volts. It will be necessary to connect a separate phase and a common neutral to each heating element. To simplify the task for the installer, the manufacturer has included ready-made solutions, a wire for connecting the neutral, a cable terminal, and a similar wire for grounding. Everything is thought out to the smallest detail. I like this approach. Now we are connecting the power wires, and then we will connect the control circuit and show you everything. Friends, I have already connected some wires, and here is the result. This is what I was talking about. The grounding wire from the connection kit and the neutral connection wire. Everything fell into place. These cable tips were crimped at the factory. The cable tips for the phases were crimped by me. All that remains is to connect the grounding wires and the neutral connection wires through this cable terminal. I hope you can see these limiters. It's very convenient. You will insert the wire into the cable terminal to the required length. Friends, never build a small room for plants or a technical room. For example, here there is very little space, so you need to use all your knowledge, experience, and creativity to install an electric heater here. Here is the skimmer pipe. Here is the main drain, so we can't install it. And on this wall, everything is too close together. And the ladder takes up a lot of space as well. Therefore, the distances between the fittings had to be shortened. This is how everything looks now in its assembled state. The installation will begin soon, but I won't be able to show you this moment because there isn't enough space in the technical room. I'll try to show the final result. I have already shown you the single-phase pool control panel. Now we are creating a new pool control panel. This is our favorite Hager box. Let's quickly look at the diagram. The RCCB is connected to 3 phases and the neutral. The neutral goes further to the neutral terminal bar. The 3 phases are connected to the contactor for the electric heater control, and from the contactor, the phases are connected to the switch. One of the phases is the control phase. This phase is connected through the switch and timer and controls the filtration contactor. It's very simple. The filtration pump will be connected through one contact of the filtration contactor, and the control phase will pass through all the protection devices of the electric heater and return to power the heating contactor coil through the other contact. That's it. There's nothing complicated. For someone knowledgeable in electricity, this won't be difficult and they can do it themselves. Friends, I have a life hack for you. Look, it's raining, but our tools, equipment, and we are dry. That's because we moved the sections of the pool enclosures. So use this tip. If you don't know what it is, watch the video from the hint in the top right corner of the screen or via the link in the description. We have installed the electric heater. Here is our bypass and the heater itself. Sorry for the view, but there is really very little space. This pipe goes directly to the pool inlets. Note the millimeter gaps near the multiport valve and the wall. It even slightly touches, we need to move it a bit. We glued it and moved it slightly. Now we'll put it back in place because the mounts allow for it. Overall, everything is okay. All that's left is to install the pool control panel, and we can start it. So, my friends, it's time to start. The installation work is finished. As always, before starting, we go through the checklist. The main drain valve is open. The multiport valve is in the filtration mode, the bypass valve is closed. The electric heater inlet is open, and the outlet is also open. Everything is fine. We can start. We turn on manual mode and switch the breaker. Oh, and we need to turn on the RCCB as well. We turn on the switch and check the pressure. Everything is okay. It's so inconvenient here. Now we need to turn on the heater we installed. We turn on the switch and adjust the temperature regulator. We see that the water temperature is approximately between 10 and 12 degrees Celsius. The heating is on, the indicator light is on, and a red flag has appeared on the contactor. This indicates that it is currently on. So the heating works, and we set the desired temperature. Dear viewers, thank you for watching this video until the end. Subscribe to the channel, and hit the like button. Warmth to your home and see you next time.